This is version 2 of my replacement rotor for Thomas the Tank Engine's Harold the Helicopter. To remove the old rotor blade, you'll need to get a flat blade screwdriver, place it under the rotor and twist it off. Ideally without damaging the paintwork. To fit a new one, find a flat solid surface. Make sure you orient the rotor the correct way up. The upper side has a larger hole, the underside has the small hole, so make sure you put the smaller hole upwards because you're going to push the rotor through with the helicopter upside down. Place the rotor on the edge of the hard surface and roll this top part here into the hole. You'll have to press down quite firmly to do that, but once it's done, it should stay flat. You may need to straighten the rotors out a little bit, but ideally none of these arms will have a bend in them. And what you should find now is that if you blow gently on it, it will spin properly, unlike the original.